Hello again, everybody. Welcome to our eBay box break. This is for the 2011-2012 Panini Dominion box break number 134. Here's the last team up for auction. There's Edmonton. And just before I start, there's a few links that we sent out in the email that you got this link to. We're doing another Dominion and Cup case break on Sunday night, the 21st. It's pay for your team spot. It's not like a random draft or anything like that. There's still teams available, so if you want to check us out, you can visit our website, breakawaysc.com. All the information is posted in the email that you got this link for. Also, it'll be on the YouTube page. So if you want to check us out, it'd be great to have you. The serial number of the box is NE189817-608. Let's get on with the break. Best of luck, everybody. Start off with the decoy. Our first hit, it's a patch auto card, short print of their jersey number, 50/74 for the Ducks of Peter Holland. And we have a base card for the Habs of Max Pacioretty, 193/199. We have an autograph rookies of Stefan Elliott. That card goes to the Avalanche. We have a patch auto rookie for the Flames of Roman Horak, 17/199. We have a prime jersey for the Flames of Michael Camilleri, 19/25. We have a mammoth patch card for the Flyers of Jaromir Jagr, 4/5. A jersey card of Anders Lindback for the Predators, 4/100. And a jersey card for the Blues of Yaroslav Halak, 96/199. And the decoy. So thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.